Hello my dear students, previous class we discussed elementary transformation or elementary operation and few example on that concept. In this class we have to study few more example on that same concept. Let us consider one example. Find the inverse of the matrix if it exists. They are given matrix. Using this matrix we have to find the inverse of the given matrix. Already you know what is our standard formula. We have to remember A is equal to I into A. This is standard formula we have to remember. I am considering this matrix as a A. Write a matrix 2, 3, 5, 7 equal to, what is the identity matrix of order 2 by 2 I am considering here because they are given 2 by 2 matrix in the given example. That's why I am considering a 2 by 2 identity matrix. Next I am writing A as it is. Yes, recall your memory. What is our first procedure? What is our first rule says? We have to make A11 element, make it as a 1. Suppose if it is not 1, we have to make this element as a 1 using a elementary row operation or elementary column operation. Here I am solving the example using the elementary row operation. Yes, R1 changes to 1 by 2 into R1. Write 1 by 2 into, what is the R1 element here? 2 into 2. Right here, simplify the term, answer is 1. Next, what is the, write down 1 by 2 into corresponding R1 element is 3, write 3. Simplify the term and write here 3 by 2. Write second row as it is 5, 7 is equal to whatever the operation we have done in LHS side, same operation we have to do in RHS side. Yes, R1 changes to 1 by 2 into R1. What is the 1 by 2? 1 by 2 into R1 element is 1, again 1 by 2. Next, 1 by 2 into R1 element is 0. 0 into anything is 0. Second, write a second row as it is 0, 1 into A, right, as it is. Next we have to make this element as a 0, again using a elementary row operation. R2 changes to R2 minus 5 times of R1. This R2 row changes to R2 minus 5 times of R1. Write a first row as it is. What is our first row? 1, 3 by 2 as it is. Next, R2 changes. What is the R2 element here? 5. 5 minus 5 into corresponding R1 element. What is the corresponding R1 element here? 1 into 1. Simplify the term, answer 0. Next, R2 element. What is the R2 element here? 7 minus 5 into corresponding R1 element. What is the corresponding R1 element here? 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Simplify the term, 7 minus 15 by 2. Take a LCM here, 2. 14 minus 15, which is equal to minus 1 by 2, right? Minus 1 by 2 here. Minus 1 by 2, which is equal to whatever the operation we have done in LHS side, same operation we have to do in RHS side. Yes, consider first row, write a first row as it is 1 by 2, 0. Second row, consider your second row. What is second row changes to? R2 changes to R2 minus 5 times of R1. What is the R2 element here? 0. 0 minus 5 into corresponding R1 element. What is the corresponding R1 element here? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Simplify the term, answer is minus 5 by 2. Next, R2 element is 1. 1 minus 5 into corresponding R1 element. Corresponding R1 element is 0. Write a 0. 5 into 0, 0. Answer is 1. Write A as it is. A. Next, after that we have to make this element as a 1. R2 changes to minus 2 into R2. R2 changes to minus 2 into R2. Write a first row as it is. What is the first row? 1, 3 by 2. Second row. What is the second row? Second row changes to minus 2 into R2. Minus 2 into, what is the R2 element here? 0. 0. Simplify the term, answer is 0. Next, what is the R2 element here? Write a minus 2 into R2 element minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. That cancels, minus into minus becomes a plus, answer is 1. Same operation we have to do in RHS side also. Yes, write a first row as it is. What is the first row? 1 by 2, 0. Next, minus 2 into, what is the R2 element? Minus 5 by 2 into minus 5 by 2. Minus minus becomes a plus. 10 by 2, 2 ones are, 2 fives are, right answer 5. Next, after that, what is minus 2 into R2? What is the corresponding R2 element? 1. Simplify the term, minus 2. Immediately we have to move to a 1 2 element and make this element as a 0. At that time R1 changes to R1 minus 3 by 2 into R2. Next, simplify the term, write a R1, what is the R1 element here? 1, write a 1, I am solving here, 1 minus 3 by 2 corresponding R2 element is 0. 0 into 3 by 2 is 0, answer is 1. Right, 1. Next, R1 element. What is the R1 element here? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into R2. What is the corresponding R2 element here? 1. 1. Simplify the term, 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 0. Right, 0. Next, R2 row as it is, write out 0, 1. Whatever the operation done in LHS side, same operation we have to do in RHS. R1 changes to R1 minus 3 by 2 into R2. What is the R1 element? 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into corresponding R2 element. Corresponding R2 element 5. 5. Simplify the term, 1 by 2 minus 15 by 2, LCM is 2, minus 14 by 2. Simplify the term, answer minus 7. Write a minus 7 here. Minus 7. Next, R1 element is 0. Write a 0, 0 minus 3 by 2, 3 by 2 into R2. What is the corresponding R2 element here? Minus 2. Minus 2. Simplify the term, minus minus becomes a plus. 3 into 2, 6. 6 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 threes are, right? 3. Write a 3 here. Next, second row as it is. What is the second row? 5 minus 2. write here A as it is, A here also write A as it is. Next, I am sending this A2 to LHS side. At that time A becomes a inverse into 1 0 0 1, which is equal to minus 7 3 5 minus 2. We have to multiply identity matrix with the given matrix. Again we will get the same matrix, means here A inverse is there, we have to multiply with identity matrix. Again we will get a inverse matrix. A inverse is equal to minus 7 3 5 minus 2. This is a inverse of A. Consider one more example. You have to solve using a elementary row operation, or you may follow elementary column operation. Here I am solving the example using elementary row operation. What is the standard form? A is equal to I into A form. First we have to write. What is the matrix A? They given 2 minus 3 minus 1 2 equal to identity matrix of order 2 by 2 I am considering, because they have given 2 by 2 order matrix. Simplify the next, after that we have to make this element as a 1. Suppose if it is 1, we have to continue the procedure. Suppose it is not 1, make A11 element as a 1 using elementary row operation or column operation. I am using elementary row operation. R1 changes to R1 plus R2. R1 changes to R1 plus R2. Write a R1 element. What is the R1 element here? 2. 2 plus corresponding R2 element minus 1. Simplify the term, answer 1. Next, what is the R1? R1 element here? Minus 3 plus corresponding R2 element. Corresponding R2 element is 2. Simplify the term, minus 1, answer. Next, R2 row as it is, minus 1 2. Same operation we have to do in RHS side also. Consider R1. What is the R1 element? 1 plus corresponding R2 element 0. Answer 1. Next, R1 element 0 plus corresponding R2 element 1. Answer 1. Second row write down as it is, 0 1. Next, according to our procedure, we have to make A21 element as a 0. R2 changes to R2 plus R1. Write a first row as it is, 1 minus 1, write down as it is. Next, R2 changes to R2 plus R1. What is the R2 element here? R2 element is minus 1 plus of R1. What is the R1 element here? 1 plus 1 minus 1, 0, right? 0. Next, R2 element. What is the R2 element? 2 plus R1. What is the R1 element? Minus 1. Simplify the term, answer 1. Answer is 1, which is equal to same operation we have to do in RHS side also. Write a first row as it is. What is the first row? 1 1. Second row. What is the second row? Second row changes to R2 minus, second row changes to R2 plus R1. What is the R2 element? 0 plus corresponding R1 element. Corresponding R1 element is 1. Simplify the term, answer 1. Next, R2 element, R2 changes to R2 plus R1. What is the R2 element here? 1 1 plus. What is the R1 element? 2 sorry, R1 element is 1. 1 plus 1, 2 into A, write down as it is. Here also A as it is. Next, according to our procedure, we have to make this element as a 0. R1 changes to, R1 changes to R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. What is the R1 element? 1, 1 plus corresponding R2 element 0, 0. Simplify the term, right answer here 1. Next, R1 element. What is the R1 element here? Minus 1. Minus 1 plus corresponding R2 element. What is the corresponding R2 element? 1. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. 0. Next, write a second row as it is 0, 1, which is equal to same operation we have to do in RHS side. Write a R1 element, R1 plus R2. Corresponding R2 element is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Next, R1 element 1 plus corresponding R2 element 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Right? Second row as it is 1, 2. Right? This A as it is into A. I am sending this A to LHS side. At that time, A changes to, A becomes A inverse. A inverse into 1, 0, 0, 1, which is equal to 2, 3, 1, 2. We have to multiply this A inverse with identity matrix. Again, we will get a inverse matrix. A inverse is equal to 2, 3, 1, 2. This is the inverse of the given matrix. In this type, we have to solve the example using the elementary row operation. Thank you.